are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Hey Money Gang, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Money from the future because I ain't make no intro video. But yeah, y'all, if y'all new here, thank you so much for coming on my video and clicking on it. My name is Armani. Period. And one more thing, this is an update, y'all. So remember I told y'all that they cut my heat on, and it was good up until yesterday. They started tweaking with my stuff again, and it started turning off by itself. So I'm gonna contact them again, y'all. I don't know what to do now. Cause I reported them. I went down there and talked to them multiple times about the heat. Like I don't know what to do. Like I got the payment stuff situated and figured out, but my heat, I need heat. The fuck? So this is ridiculous. Last night somebody put fucking fire alarm in my building. I got a video to show y'all. But that's crazy. Like it was at 2 in the fucking morning, just now waking up because I was up at night. It's like 10 in the afternoon, 10:40 a.m. But bro, still time. It's literally fucking 2 o'clock in the morning. Fucking fire truck.
It's all good, folks.
Hey, my gang, I'm just not getting up. Today's a couple of days after the alarm and stuff went off. I got a job interview today, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. But yeah, let me get up and get it together. Because I need to get up. Yeah. Gang, I went and did my interview. I'm gonna take y'all in there with me for the interview. I think I did good. This is my outfit. Oh, I can't even see. Let's see how I was. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. It's what? Because the alarm happened on Monday. It's Wednesday, 11:30. And I'm gonna hit y'all Wednesday the 6th. Yep, Wednesday the 6th. And I'm gonna hit y'all back later. Stay tuned. Oh, and tomorrow I gotta go grocery shopping, so that should be an adventure. Or I might do it. It depends. Hey Money Gang, I'm back on the screen. I'm finna go to the store really quick. I need to get a couple of stuff before I go grocery shopping tomorrow. Probably some quick foods. On the stroll, walking down the street. Y'all, I'm gonna try to post every Friday. Don't quote me, okay? But y'all know I went to that interview today. I think it went good, but I don't know. They said they was gonna call me. I know I spoke a little bit about it earlier. It was a little stressful because it was some stuff that I didn't like. I did it before, but I didn't really remember until like I had a refresher. So it's like I gotta research some of the old stuff that I was doing, like using
micrometers, calipers. This is a type of manufacturing job. Y'all, I hope, fingers crossed, hope I get it. Hope I get it. Yeah, y'all, it's been cold, so I need to get another coat. Yeah. Need to get another coat. It's the next day, and I want to talk about something about voting. Like, y'all, I'm so tired of people telling me, oh, vote, it'll help this, it'll help that, when the whole thing is rigged. Donald Trump is not supposed to even be able to vote. He ain't even supposed to be able to run. Like, he got so many felonies and everything. Like, he don't fit the requirements to become a president at all. So I don't understand. It's all a money thing, and y'all telling people to vote. Why? Other than your vote counts. Your vote counts. What else? The fuck? Like, I'm just so tired of it. Like, for real. I just don't understand. And I was gonna finish recording yesterday, but I was tired. Didn't record me going to the grocery store. But I mean, cause I ordered the food here, but I was cleaning up and putting the food up, and that's still a workout too. Yeah, y'all, that stuff is, I don't know, politics make me so mad. Comment down below what y'all think about voting. Like, cause it blows me. It blows me for real.
Hey, Money Gang. So I only did a snippet of my painting that y'all seen. It's gonna be a full video. Be looking out. Be looking out for it.
But yep, I'm gonna end out the video here. I love you guys. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.